To give material to the holder, is it better to use the ready-made textures on different sites such as Polyhaven or Blender Kit, which as you can see, we search the wood letter. There are several items, and also by searching in the Polyhaven it shows many textures by wood design, which we can free download and choose whichever we like it. Now here we will select texture from Blender Kit. So search wood, then from the textures we select one item, then by drag and drop it from the texture onto the object to see the sample on the holder. As you can see that you can test several textures and whichever one you like. So enter the edit mode and select the whole object, and then by pressing the U key we select the cube projection from the unwrap section, and from the box on the top of the screen click on UV editing. Then we edit the UV environment, and we select all faces inside the UV editing and place them in the middle of the light purple picture. Then we enter the shading mode from the above box, and as you can see that in the map box we have a lot options, which for example we change the strength of normal map. It causes the thickness to increase or decrease. Also by changing another items, different things are created, so we adjust according to our taste and environment, which is actually the appropriate setting. Then enter the edit mode and select logo faces. So create the number 001 group from the vertex group section and click on select, then click on assign. Guys, one item to say, you don't worry about these faces, we solved in material properties. So we click on the material properties and create a new material and choose the black matte color for the logo and assign it. As you can see that we select one by one extra faces and click wood 122 in material section, then assign it. Another important thing you should pay attention to is that when we select several faces and want to change their color, by selecting them and clicking on the desired material, only the color change, but using vertex group help us even though whenever we want to select those faces and change their color again. Hey guys, let's create material for other objects. We start from the cell, and I want a color like silver between metallic and matte. Okay, let's do it. I I select the salt and enter edit mode and activate wireframe mode. So I select all faces with a bottom, and the next click material properties, and I create a new material and change base color to the silver or gray, and number of metallic I change that to about 0.5, and roughness my opinion 0.235, maybe it's color like silver. So as you can see from the vertex groups, I create two groups and choose group 001 for S letter and select the S letter, and after that select group 001 and assign it, then click on material properties and create new material, then select black matte color that previously we created and click assign. I think look nice, and for the next, here we go, materializing logo. We create group 002 from the vertex group and select the logo faces, then click on assign it. Now we create a new material in material properties and select again matte black color and click on assign for the logo. As I said before, don't worry about that extra this color on the celt, I mean black matte, so can enter edit mode and select extra black matte faces, then click material properties and silver color. Alright, for the prepare like celt, we repeat everything like celt, we did it. All items about paper materializing, such as salt down. So let's create texture for the chopstick holder.